Welcome back to the channel. Oh, that pillow. I know someone's gonna ask, what is that? Well, let me just tell you. These I got from my kitty cat, and it's like her favorite toy. So I set up, like, they're like little, like an Easter egg hunt in this house. I hide them throughout the house, and she thinks she's really doing things. All right, so that's what that is, and it's gonna stay there because if my queen finds it, she's gonna be so excited. Anyways, hi, hello, and welcome. We haven't done a Temu haul in a hot minute, so this is part one of a ginormous Temu haul that I have for you guys. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and we like to just do whatever. If you've never heard of Temu, Temu is actually an app that you can download right to your phone, and they're constantly having deals going on all the time. They offer all kinds of things from fashion to beauty to outdoor decor to, oh, you know what my husband had just gotten? He got like these shades for when we're camping. They're like a, I call them like a tarp, but they're not. It's like some sort of thing to give you privacy. It's a privacy thing. They literally have everything. They even have stuff for your Jeep. I've been over there checking it out. All kinds of stuff. Currently, it looks like they're having an exciting Easter sale with amazing deals. They have lightning deals, flash deals all the time. Definitely make sure to download the app if you haven't already. I will have a special little link in my description box. I'll also pin it in the comment section for you guys too, as well as everything I show you in today's video will be pinned down there with the most current prices, which then again, by the time you click on that, it could be a sale. You never know. All right, if you are someone like me and you ship things out, did you know that they have mailers? These are the kind that you literally can just, you know, if you sold something on Poshmark or wherever, you just fill it and boom. I think if you wanted bubble mailers, you could get that too, but I like these poly mailers. So if you're looking for poly mailers, these are great to have, and they come in different sizes and of course in different colors too. I love having these on hand. You never know when you need them. Next in here is bedding. I got this in a queen, I believe. Is it a duvet or a sheet? I think it's a duvet cover. I thought for spring and the fact that it was such an affordable price, but yes, it is a duvet set, and it does come with the pillow shams, and I actually did get it in a king size because the king size pillow shams are larger. So we got two of those, and look how pretty the design is. Isn't that pretty? And then you could kind of switch it if you wanted, and like the other side. Let's see if the duvet cover is the same way. Yes. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm gonna use this at our camper. You can't beat it. This is nice. It's a zipper kind. Ooh, I like that even more. So we could go blue, white, what have you. But it's always fun to change, I feel like, the bedding out, and it's nice and affordable. So we got a king size bedding. They also have mattress covers or protectors. They have the foam there, and they also have pillows at Temu if you were interested in getting like a whole thing. Anyways, this is the up close. It is a good kind of soft quality material. Very happy with that. And then I did also get a matching little pillow. If you follow me on my other channel, Hotmess Mama MD, I actually unboxed this over there in pink. So how perfect is that though? Nice little accenty pillow. I love the little 3Ds. I will say though, this is more of a off-white or winter white, where this is more of a bold white, but we may be able to still get away with it. But in my head, that's how I was pairing it, and I just thought it would be so pretty together. Great quality. It does have a zipper at the bottom. You just have to pick up an insert to go in there. I also picked up another size of the poly mailers to have on hand. So easy peasy. It's like the random things that you don't know you need. You'll just kind of start checking out the website and they just let you know. I did pick up a ton of shoes from Temu, and look how adorable these are. I actually got this really cute red dress with a white bow in the back from Temu, and I saw these shoes and I'm like, oh my gosh, these would go perfectly. Now I did get these in a 39. Let's try them on real quick. So look how cute that is. The little added detail, very nice. We have a little bit of a higher heel, but again, to go with that dress. That would be so cute. I typically don't seem to have okay, so the 39 is too big on me, but I think I might be able to get away with it. I typically wear anywhere from a 7.5 to an 8. Now here's where I messed up. I always size down when the toe part is pointy, and I messed up. That's on me, but it's okay, they have free returns. So that's such a bummer. I mean, like I said, I'll still probably be able to get away with it. That's a little unfortunate. Now, if this was more of a rounded toe, I would have been fine. I can guarantee you. Next in here, I got another pair of shoes. How freaking adorable are these? I probably messed these up too because they're pointy. I did get them in a 39, but aren't those fun? Such a nice quality. Let's try these on. I love that little, it's like a Mary Jane style. Yeah, I did it again. So they're a little big, but I think I'll be able to get away with them. But I really love that color. I mean, you could easily pair this with a basic white tee, pair of denim, and then your pop of color is gonna be your shoes. Absolutely love that. All right, next in here, I got these for outside. If you've been with me a while, you guys know I struggle with keeping plants alive, so I always get my plants from Temu. So I got these to go in like outdoor pots, or you know, and like, what is this even called? A fern? I mean, you could use this indoor if you wanted, but I thought it would be great outside. Outside greenery. I actually got 2 of them. So if you guys are curious about the Temu greenery, their faux flowers and all of that, it's very good. And we've got like these flower pots outside. So I think I'm gonna put these in there on either side, and maybe pick up some of their flowers and put that like sort of in the center and make an arrangement out of it. Great and affordable. I really like it. All right, next in here, these are from my husband. We got these in a 3XL, another pair of the shorts. We've been getting a lot of the shorts from Temu. I think we got these in like an olive color. They fit great. They are just like a nice elastic waisted true drawstring type of shorts. They do have pockets that zip right here. They honestly look like a swim short. They're not lined. Just FYI on that. But with the sizing for men at Temu, just know my husband wears like a 36 waist and he needs a 3X over there because their sizing is definitely different than what we have over here for men. So just keep that in mind when you're doing sizing. But yeah, these are a nice type of quality shorts, and they come in different colors too. But I decked him out last year in a ton of the Temu shorts and shoes and stuff, and he stayed in those all summer long. So anyways, if you're interested, there is no stretch, by the way, but if you're interested in getting them for your husband, I would highly recommend them. They're great and they're affordable, and it never fails. My husband will be like super dressed nice, and that's when he gets the urge to fiddle, and next thing I know, there's like his bleach on his shorts and stuff, and I'm like, seriously? So this, I'm not going to be upset if he accidentally gets bleach on his britches. Just take a Sharpie, color it back in. It's an organizational situation. It's like a set of 4 of these acrylic things, and I felt like you could do multiple things with them. So you could do in a kid's room, you could put like their books in between here and organize. You could do your sunglasses if you wanted to. You could also organize your plates in your cupboard with them, like big plates, tinier plates, what have you. And another thing is if you had like narrow purses or your eyeshadow palettes and everything, but I thought these were really nice. And they're actually like a good quality. Or you could even put them in your drawers and do even like this, but only laying it in the drawers, and put socks or underwear in between, or your leggings, and organize your leggings in your drawers versus those cloth ones. Because when you do the cloth ones, let's be honest, 1, I've ripped them, 2, they don't hold up well, but I felt like this would. So if I organize my leggings drawer, I'm gonna put that in there and then roll my leggings up, or my shorts. I just feel like these are really good organizers, you know? So many different things that you can do with them. So anything from filing papers to eyeshadow palettes to underwear. You just never know. So I also picked up another rug, which I felt like would maybe go kind of with the bed set, was my first thought. Or it could go into a bathroom. But their rugs are so, see, how freaking cute is that? I really like the Temu rugs. Now, keep in mind, it's a good idea, and you guys have said they actually sell the backing on Temu, but these aren't like crazy grippy at all, so be careful, and definitely make sure that depending on what kind of flooring you put it on, you may need to get a backing for it. But the quality of the rug, it's so nice and soft, and it's really cutesy. So whether you put it in the bathroom or your kid's playroom or in the bedroom, me already thinking where to put it. That's really cute. All right. Okay, friends, so that is everything for part 1 of my Temu haul. I'm going to hop off and I'm going to film part 2. It is a good one. It's juicy. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So everything will be listed and linked down below for you guys. Ginormous thank you to Temu for letting me pick these items out and working with me in today's video. Let me know what was your favorite item. I'm telling you guys, the faux plants are definitely something to look into. If you're like me and you don't have a green thumb, you're probably really gonna enjoy them. So anyways, until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.